Good morning. Can you hear the birds singing? Because I can. Today is going to be a day I'm going to remember for a long time. Hi, my name is Moran Sol Broza. I'm a professional chef and social impact and sustainability. I've just been invited to test the HomeBiogas cooking system. So I'm about to go and source the ingredients for today's meal on the HomeBiogas system. As you can see, everything's super fresh, and I'm going to choose what we're going to cook in today's meal. As a chef, I'm looking forward to testing the heat intensity, the time it takes, and the flame. First of all, these flames look absolutely gorgeous. This power, look, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 heads. Let's see how long it takes to warm up the pan. I'm gonna test it with the olive oil. It's hot, you can see how fast it moves. If it's like water, it's hot enough. It's moving like waters. That's a perfect sound. The speed of the bubbles here is normal. So for now, let's just say I'm not even on the highest heat. It's already starting to get gold. If you didn't tell me this was HomeBiogas, I swear, for now, this is actually much more impressive than I thought. Oh. Some lemon over this. I'm about to put my halloumi on, and I really need a hot pan so that it sizzles and gives it the sear that I need. Yes, that's the sound we're looking for. The time has come to take the food scraps from today's cooking session and put it in the HomeBiogas system. Let's go. As you can see, there's still plenty of gas. Look at this beautiful dish. Would you ever guess that it wasn't made in a professional kitchen? Oh, it's amazing. The life cycle of these dishes, the food that we have here. Think about it. Yesterday's food became the new energy to cook today's food with. And now I'm about to dig in, and I'm sure it's going to be delicious.